Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix arrow keys and your WASD keys switched or swapped. So let's begin. First off, this is in your keyboard that just happened and you would like to know how to fix this. It's really simple. So just make sure it's plugged on and go ahead. I would like you to find the FN key in your keyboard. It's most likely in the middle. What I mean is in the middle of Alt key and Control key beside the arrow keys. Okay. So press the FN key and the W key. And just do that in a few seconds and then let go. That should definitely work and fix your issue. You can actually go ahead and test this because this is what most Reddit users and I personally use whenever they swap out. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.